Oh, hi there. Terrible. I'm Brittany from AJ&Smart, and in this video today, we are going to talk about one of my personal favorite exercises, the lightning demos. Dun, dun, dun. We should definitely have some lightning that comes in there. Good. So, I am talking about chapter 8 of the book, in case you were following along. Now, this exercise is one that you're going to do that's going to sort of inspire the sprint team. So, we all know there's a lot of products out there that have been made, there's a lot of services that have been done, and so we're not looking to, when we're coming up with solutions and ideas, we don't need to come up with everything from scratch. That's not really the idea. So what you're going to do for the lightning demos, basically you can think of this as a short research session with your team. In the sprint book, they talk about how you can assign it as a homework task on the Monday, but since we've remixed the sprint into Sprint 2.0, we actually do the lightning demos on day 1. So we actually give our team 25 minutes to do the research. So the first thing that you're going to do for the lightning demos is you're going to give everybody about 25 minutes to take a browse through the internet. Now, they can also come up with products that they already know, but a lot of times after you've done the how might we's and you've done the expert interviews, you actually might already have some examples in mind that could be really great lightning demos. So you give the team 25 minutes, you put the timer on, the time timer, and you guys go into like full on like in research mode. The thing with the lightning demos that's really important to remember is you don't have to stay in your industry. So let's say, I'm gonna use the same example again, yet again, the laundry service, right? We don't have to keep looking at other laundry mats or other laundry services or anything of the like. You could also look at Spotify for the way that their website is laid out. Now, you want everyone to come up with 3 examples, and just so that the lightning demo session stays relatively efficient, what you want to do is actually tell each team, you want each team member to write the big idea from their example. The thing is, why you want them to write down the big idea is that everybody at the end is going to actually present their lightning demos, all 3 of these lightning demos. And so you want to make sure that everybody's staying very concise and just really not rambling on like I've been in this video. Okay, good. So then after the 25 minutes, you bring everybody back and one by one you go through your lightning demos. At the end of the 25 minutes, what every person on the team is going to have is 3 examples of products or services that they think we could use as inspiration for our concepts in the next phase. Okay, so once everybody has come up with their 3 examples, and you're all sitting down and one by one you're presenting your examples, really important, you will assign one person from the team to take notes or sketch doodle notes. So in the sprint book, they talk about when you're presenting your demos that one person would on the whiteboard draw some like little sketches or doodles to represent the examples that everybody's coming up with. For us, we kind of do one or the other. We either do the sketch version, so when someone actually draws, basically it comes down to whether or not someone on the team knows how to draw. Just kidding. Usually there's someone who knows how to draw. But in my case, I'm terrible at drawing and sketching. So what I like to do is actually just take notes in word form, which is the original form of the note, if you think about it. But what's really cool, if my idea were Spotify and I was talking about, you know, I love Spotify, how they help you really discover new music, and they have this Discover Weekly feature that's really awesome, then someone on the team, whoever's been appointed the role of the note taker, would write Spotify, like that. And then they would write, okay, Brittany said that she really like discovery feature, right? And then maybe they take another one and be like, yeah, she also said something about this Discover Weekly. Do you think that says anything? Not really. It doesn't really. But anyways, so you kind of like for each key big idea from your lightning demo, you'll put one post-it. And then the idea is after everybody's presented their lightning demos and you have all these notes from everybody's demos, you put them up on the wall. So it's like this nice visual reminder to everybody that when later in the day, when you're actually sketching your ideas and you're coming up with, you're putting together all your thoughts, that you actually can see all the lightning demos and be reminded like, oh yeah, that was a really good idea. I think I might incorporate that here. The other thing that you should keep in mind for the lightning demos is that yes, you can use examples from products that you know, products that you've used, products that you find during your lightning demo session, but you can also, as a lightning demo, show the team something that you've been working on. Let's say you're on the product team and you actually have been coming up with a feature. This is your chance to show the team what you've been working on. So yeah, that's the lightning demos. Really great exercise, and also a really nice exercise to do in general. We do it actually quite often on our teams, like even the media team does it quite often when we're like, okay, we need to find a new way to color grade our videos. Then we'll take a 25-minute session and just come up with a bunch of ideas, present them really quickly, make a quick decision. So the lightning demo is just a really great exercise from the Sprint book. And I guess I hope you enjoyed that. I hope I touched on everything. I think I talked about everything. Thank you so much for listening to this video. This was a relatively short one. At least it felt short when I was shooting it, but maybe it's not. Depends. Anyway, give us a like if you liked the video. We'd love it if you subscribed to our channel. We'd love it if you gave this video I don't know if you can give it more than a like a heart or something. And in the comments, if you could answer this question that I'm about to ask, I've got it. Nailed it. What is your favorite product on the market right now? This will really help with lightning demos. I'm telling you, this is a brilliant question to ask. So yeah, put that down in the comments and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching and have a great, great day. Toodaloo. Adios. Sayonara. Au revoir. Tschüss. That's German. That was German. Yeah, tschüss. Or auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Why can't I say that? It sounds terrible. I do speak a bit of German, I swear. But anyway, all right. Thanks, guys. Bye, bye, bye.